Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta for Kids' Easy Guide. Start by boiling 4 quarts of salted water, add pasta, stir, and follow package timing for al dente. Drain, reserving 1 cup of pasta water. Toss with butter or mild tomato sauce, mix in finely chopped vegetables or shredded cheese, cool slightly, and plate with a small fork and napkin for safe, easy eating. Pick simple, familiar flavors that children recognize and accept, such as butter, plain tomato, or mild cream cheese sauces. Incorporate small, soft vegetables like cooked carrots or peas, or blend vegetables into the sauce for added nutrients. Keep textures consistent by shredding cheese finely and cutting proteins small, and always taste and cool the pasta to a child-friendly temperature before serving to avoid burns and ensure comfort. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to help more parents find simple meal ideas. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Try Little Tree's Black Ice as a lighthearted tip for clean rides during school runs or snack trips. Check the description for the link and other deals related to what you saw here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always check pasta temperature by testing a small bite or your wrist to prevent burns, and let hot sauce rest a moment before mixing. Offer modest portions on child-sized plates to encourage finishing and reduce waste, and cut or mash any pieces that remain large. Stay present while children eat, guide slow chewing, and praise small successes to build positive mealtime habits and confidence with new foods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.